This video is all about solving for the value of x. Now we are given an exponential equation where you have 1 all over 3125 raised to power x equal to x. Now we are asked to find x. So now we have 1 all over 3125 to the power x equal to what? X, which is x over 1. Now if you reverse this, you have what you do to the left hand side, you also do it to the right hand side. If you reverse this, 3125 to the power x divided by 1 is the same thing as saying 1 all over x. Now multiplying the powers by 1 all over 2 or 1 all over x, as in doing the same on both sides. So multiply the powers by 1 all over x. We also do same to here. Now you now have this, we cancel out this, you have 3125 equal to 1 all over x, all raised to 1 all over x. Now 3125 is the same thing as 5 raised to power 5 equal to 1 all over x, all raised to power 1 all over x. And when you check now, you see here is 5, here is 5, here is 1 all over x, here is 1 all over x. So it now equating, you can equate the base or the powers, because this and this is the same, this and this is the same. So that means 5 is equal to 1 all over x. Now if you also reverse this expression on the left hand side, you do the same to this other side, you now have 1 all over 5 equal to 1 is equal to x all over 1, which now means that x is equal to 1 all over 5. Now you can also do it in another form, this particular problem again, to tell you that it will still give you the same value. Now let's say now you have 5 all over 1 is equal to 1 all over x. If you cross multiply, you now have 5x equal to 1. So divide both sides by 5, you have x to be equal to 1 all over 5. So the same, you just the same by saying reversing this. If you reverse it, 1 all over 5, now I reverse this one, will come up 1 all over for x all over 1, which now means that x is equal to 1 all over 5. So just the same thing. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day.